Names, sounds, and a little fun facts about farm animals. Cow. Do you know that all cows are females, only males are called bulls? A cow has 32 teeth and can chew about 50 times in a minute, making their jaws move about 40 times a day. A cow can sleep standing up. It can also see in color and can smell up to 6 miles away. Pig. Did you know male pigs are called boars and female pigs are called sows? Pigs have poor eyesight, but they have great sense of smell. Pigs do not have sweat glands, which is why they tend to roll in mud in nature to keep cool. Dog. Dogs can smell 100,000 times better than humans. A dog's nose is the equivalent of a human fingerprint. Dogs dream like people. They have similar sleep patterns and brain activity as humans. Duck. All ducks have waterproof feathers. They are omnivores and will eat grass, plants, insects, seeds, fish, and other types of food. Did you know a male duck is called a drake? A female duck is called a hen, and the baby duck is called a duckling. Sheep. Sheep's wool will grow forever. They have rectangular pupils. Sheep have very good memories. They can remember at least 50 individual sheep and humans for years. Chicken. There are more chickens on Earth than people. A mother hen turns her eggs about 50 times per day and can lay more than 300 eggs per year. Chickens can taste saltiness but not sweetness. Horse. Horses are herbivores or plant eaters. They have around 205 bones. A male horse is called a stallion. A female horse is called a mare. A small horse is called a pony. Cat. Did you know cats can sleep 16 to 18 hours a day? They can jump about 7 times their height, and they have 24 whiskers. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to Learning Mood Kids. See you next time.